Modern architecture emerged in the late 19th and early 20th centuries as a response to the Industrial Revolution and the need for efficiency in building design and construction. At its core, modern architecture was characterized by a departure from traditional architectural styles, favoring simplistic forms and functional spaces over ornate ornamentation. The origins of modern architecture can be traced back to innovative architects like Sullivan, known for his dictum, "form follows function." This principle guided the design process to ensure that each architectural element served a purpose. Sullivan's protege, Lloyd Wright, expanded on these ideas, integrating architecture with nature as seen in his iconic Fallingwater house, which blended seamlessly with the waterfall over which it was constructed. The Bauhaus movement, founded in Germany by Walter Gropius in 1919, played a pivotal role in shaping modern architecture. It emphasized the integration of art, craft, and technology, seeking to create buildings that responded to both social and functional needs. The Bauhaus aesthetic has had a long-standing influence on architecture with its minimalistic design and the use of glass, steel, and concrete. In the middle of the 20th century, Le Corbusier, a Swiss-French architect, made significant contributions with his emphasis on functionalism and innovation in building design. His concept of machines for living introduced the idea of high density, sustainable urban living and the use of pilotis, which allowed for open floor plans and more natural light, as seen in his Unite dehabitation in Marseille. Meanwhile, across the Atlantic, the international style emerged, noted for its lack of ornamentation and use of modern materials. Architects like Ludwig Mies van der Rohe and Philip Johnson championed this style, creating iconic structures like the Seagram Building in New York City. As we move into the late 20th century, postmodernism began to challenge the prevailing assumptions of modernism, reintroducing wit, ornamentation, and historical references into architectural design. However, the legacy of modern architecture remains profound, laying the groundwork for today's sustainable and innovative architectural approaches, such as the use of green technologies and the emphasis on minimizing environmental impact.